Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. The monsoon has started and the pollution is getting a little better. And right now look at the sky. It is so clean. But sometimes the black cloud comes and it just starts raining. The weather is so pleasant and Choti is enjoying this monsoon season. Like us, the plants also like rain. In monsoon season, the plants don't need a lot of fertilizer because rainwater contains lots of micronutrients and macronutrients. So you can harvest the rainwater and then give the rainwater to your plants. Today, I will talk about a product which we can easily get in the house. Some of us use it, but some of us also throw it away. This is nothing else but whey. Farmers and gardeners have used whey to water their plants for many years. They have held their plants as evidence that whey is beneficial for their plants. Did you know that whey contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium and other minerals that are essential to plant growth? Whey is the leftover water that we get after making cheese, paneer or chana. My mom also uses this for cooking purpose. Look, my mom is throwing away the fat from above the whey because fat or oil is not good for your plants. Small amount of whey will fertilize your plants, but excessive amounts of whey in the soil can actually decrease the amount of nutrition available to your plant. So remember to apply it with 1:1 with water. Look, we were just preparing to spray the plant. Suddenly, Piku came and started watching us. Whey is a good supplement of fertilizers and it can improve soil conditions for plants that prefer a low pH. You can spray it in your flower plant, vegetable plants or fruit plants. Like this, remember to apply only 1:1 whey with water and then repeat the steps to 1 to 3 weeks only. Remember, if you do not dilute it with water, then it will make soil acidity enough to harm the plant or stunt its growth. So always dilute it with water. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.